Welcome back. In this video, we're making deep fried cheesecake. Into a pot, strawberries, water, and sugar. Bring up to a boil, reduce to low, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Breaking up the strawberries as you go. Mine was too chunky, so I had to use a blender. Pour through a strainer to remove the seeds. For the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. For the wet, milk, 3 large eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla. Pour the wet into the dry, whisk until combined, dunk 1 slice of frozen cheesecake into the batter, and then into a deep fryer it goes at 350 degrees for 2 minutes per side, or until nicely golden brown and puffy. Onto a serving plate it goes, drizzle with a strawberry sauce, dust with powdered sugar, and there we have it, deep fried cheesecake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.